What are portals in React? Do they take you to another dimension?
Haha, not quite. In React, portals let you render a component somewhere else in the DOM while keeping it part of the same React tree.
Somewhere else? Why would we need that?
Sometimes we want a component like a modal, tooltip, or papa to be outside its parent container to avoid layout issues.
Oh, so instead of being stuck inside its parent, the component can appear anywhere on the page?
Exactly. Normally, React components are rendered inside their parent, but with portals, we can move them somewhere else, like directly inside body. Here's how we create a portal.
Oh, ReactDOM.createPortal moves the div with class equal modal inside the modal root instead of where the modal component is placed?
Right. Now, when we use modal, it will be rendered outside its parent, but still work like part of the React app.
So the modal looks like it's inside app, but it's actually in a different part of the page?
Yes, this is super useful for things like modals and pop-ups, so they don't get hidden by overflow hidden. Tooltips, so they don't break layouts, dropdowns, so they can keep them above other elements.
That's really useful. So portals let us display components in a different place without breaking React structure.
Exactly. It keeps the logic inside the React app, but places the element where it's needed in the DOM.
Got it.